Namaste. Welcome to Silent Meditation. Find a comfortable seated position either on your chair or on your yoga mat. If you're sitting on a mat, cross your legs at your shins. Then sit up tall, relax your shoulders away from your ears. You can rest your palms on your thighs. Or take Gyan Mudra by connecting the tip of your index finger to the tip of your thumb, creating a circle. Straighten out the rest of your fingers and rest the backs of your hands on your thighs. Then close your eyes or keep a soft gaze down your nose at the floor. This is your meditation position, and try to find stillness. Try to not move or fidget. So make sure that you're as comfortable as possible. Take 2 deep breaths to settle into this moment, right here, right now. Breathe in through your nose. Notice your body expanding. Breathe out through your nose. Soften and relax. One more. Take a big belly breath in through your nose. Long exhale out through your nose. For this meditation, there's no technique, because silence is already there. It's like a vast ocean that you're in. You can release all doing, all thinking. You don't need to look for silence. Just open up to it and be. Be in the silence. Let go of expectations. You don't need to work for silence or deserve it. You can let go of goals or results. It's right here. So take this moment to drop into your silence. This vast ocean of silence around you and within you. All your thoughts and experiences, all of you, are being held by this silence. Stay open and keep surrendering to this silence. We will take about 1 minute in complete silence together. I'm right here with you. Remember, you don't need to do or control anything. Simply be in silence. Slowly begin to deepen your breath. Then dip your chin down towards your chest. Allow your breath to flow naturally. And let's seal this meditation together. If you had your eyes closed, slowly open your eyes. And then take a deep breath in. Circle your arms up. Gather all the love and light into your whole being. Exhale, unite your hands and draw your hands down in front of your heart in prayer position. Thank you so much for joining me in this silent meditation. May it be a blessing to you. Thank you so much for watching. Sign up now for your free Blissful Morning Guide by clicking the first link below this video. Just enter your name and email and I'll instantly send it to you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for new yoga and meditation videos every Tuesday. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and let me know in the comments how it went for you. And I look forward to seeing you soon again. Bye for now.